guys, and welcome to the 11th day of the 40 days of pours. This is the dried result from yesterday. I'm absolutely in love with it. I love how realistic it looks. I love that at certain angles you can see some gold shimmering through it, but not at other angles. So I'm really pleased with this result. And today we're going to be doing a strainer pour. And this is another first time for me. I have never done a strainer pour, so we'll see how this goes. I'm excited for it. I'm actually going to be using some colors that I'm just not a big fan of pink, and I'm going to try to use pink today. That's all I'm trying to say. So I'm going to start with a white base. Do some silver. Some quinisidrone magenta. I hope I said that right. I'm gonna do some phthalo blue. And some gold. And then I'm just gonna relayer it just like that. No silicone in this mix, just the Floetrol mixture. I don't want any cells for this. I like more linear designs. I mean, sometimes I like cells for like flip cups and swipes, but for something like this, where it's gonna be like a geometric design coming out, I want it to be a little more linear and consistent. All right, I definitely think I have enough paint. So I'm just going to put some black down right in the middle just to hold the strainer there. And then I'm gonna cover the edges too, the corners. I'm just gonna swirl it from the outside in. I think that actually might be enough. I don't know if spinning will help this at all. It's just, this is just a lazy Susan, so it's not gonna spin very quickly, but it seems to help a little bit. Wow, that looks so cool. I think I'm obsessed. This is so awesome, you guys. This is so fun. Oh my gosh, look at that. All right, gonna spin it the other way. Oh, I'm having too much fun with this. This is so cool. Why have I not done this earlier? This is literally my first time, and I wish I would have done this way sooner. I definitely think that the spinning is helping reach the edges. So I'm gonna try to. But with it being on a lazy Susan, it's very slippery as well. So it's not holding its grip, but oh my God. I'm still like, I'm just in shock by how amazing this looks. This may be my new favorite. I'm trying to get it down over here a little more. But I like it like naturally kind of. Like moving that way. Oh, this is so awesome, you guys. It's almost completely covered. We just got this little spot and this little spot right here. All right, just touch. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. Okay, I'm not gonna mess with it. I love this. I love this so much. This looks like a supernova or something. Oh wow, I'm so amazed. This is hands down my favorite pour that I have ever done. I'm so excited, you guys. I'm so glad that you guys are with me to see this. This is so cool for me. All right, I'm gonna try to torch it. Get any air bubbles out. Oh, I'm so glad I put those metallics in there because it just flows so well. Okay, I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up. Okay, here is our close-up. I cannot get over this. Look at this. This looks like a galaxy explosion. All the cells coming through that black. I love it so much. I'm just so amazed by how beautiful this has turned out. Thank you guys so much for tuning in with me, and I will be back tomorrow to show you guys the dried result.